Hello. Uh, Hi, everybody. I'm Kumar. I'm from Acrebook Realty Solutions. We are a property tech company based out of New York, and we help real estate companies across the world in managing their real estate portfolio. Today, I'm going to give you a demo about Tenant Cloud, one of a very lightweight application, very easy to learn. We have clients from different part of the world. I'm going to show it in India, UAE, US. We have clients in all different parts of the world using the software. That is one of the best advantages of this is multi-currency, multinational application. And if you look at the pricing of it, this is their pricing, and not one of the most cost effective. Again, we don't get any benefit out of this. This is just for information purpose only. We are no way affiliated with any of those things. But this is a very good application. A lot of our clients love this application, especially if you're starting small. You don't want to pay a lot of amount to Appfolio, Buildium kind of applications, which is much more for enterprise level. This is a mom and pop. You only have maybe 50 units. Some of my clients have 150 units and manage it here. Absolutely fine. Now, I think one of the as a data storage, a cloud-based solution. This is a cloud-based solution, and you can store your uh, properties, tenants, owners, files. You can do everything out of the cloud out there. But it's not a great accounting software. They do sync with Stessa or QuickBooks. Those kind of applications you can use for advanced accounting. This does a very basic accounting, but it is mostly used as a cloud data management system or a CRM. That is where most of the clients use it. So if you look into the overall dashboard, once you log in, it gives you the dashboard with which you can see what all overall picture of your particular application. What is the activity, what rent is there, overall picture of it, reminders. This is I'm looking into one of my clients, and it is in Indian rupee. And if you switch it to another profile, then you will see that all the data here would be in Dubai, and this would be in dirhams, AED, and you get all their portfolio. And then you can again switch it to a US based. This is all in dollars. So you can manage multiple um, accounts. Now, we are a service provider to the property management. Each of these are property management companies. So basically, help different property management companies to manage their data, to do data analysis, making sure the data is up to date. We also do the back office operation for the property management companies. So I'm going to show with one of the property management company as an example on what all features you can use this. Properties as usual. This is will show all the properties you have, who's a tenant, accounting, equipments, inventory, maintenance. This is a view of the properties, and you can click on one of the properties. It will give you the overall dashboard of the financials, specifications, what is the key, painting information, door, floors, a kind of an inventory, and how many tenants, how many maintenance requests, how many equipments, utilities, who's the utilities, all those things. Move in. You have a lot more features there. You want to delete, edit a property, move in, list it for the third party softwares. You can list this property for vacant, so that whether it be Craigslist or within your own application, you can do that. uh, so that is about the properties. Then you have about the accounting. So this is where all your accounts, money, what money comes in, what money goes out. Very simple, straightforward. All the incomes, all the expenses, in a very straightforward, you will see it here. And if you have any recurring payments, you can specify it here, so that it automatically displays, creates the invoices or bills based on the current period what you have specified. Contacts. Contacts, basically it will give us the information about the who are all the tenants, all their contact information, all their contact information, what all the leases they have, all the financial transactions, insurance, their applications, and their tasks or requests. And if you have any invoices, you can specify all those things in this particular. So this will give you the overall picture of the tenant, and this is where you go and manage it. A service pro is your vendors in other systems, vendors in Buildium or Appfolio. Then they call it as vendors. Here we call it as service pro. So this is basically all the vendors you have. Reports, yeah, basically, they give you detailed reports on different things. Tenant screening, if it is listed and you want to screen what all the details about that this thing. And 1099 forms, rentability, this gives you what is the range of rent for your property. Tenant statements, rent roll, contact information, online payment, operating statements, maintenance request, expenses. You have a ton of reports which will be useful for you, whether you want to send it to somebody else. Very professional reports are generated which you can send it to different of your clients, and these are whitelisted. So the reports are generated with your brand, with your logo. So it seems from a very professional it looks very professional. Maintenance, which is work orders in Appfolio. But here, if anybody has requested any particular maintenance request, this is where you go and see it, and you can add your own new maintenance request. Whether you want to, you have an electrical issue, ceiling fan, all those things, everything you can specify it so that it's tracked, the work orders are tracked properly. And this is the board. Depending on the account you have, you can get kind of a Kanban board which will track it, and these are recurring requests you have. Then we can go to the application. So applications are the list of all the leads, tenant leads who are submitting the application. It does the security check, it does the recommendation. You can create a new application, send a new application to your tenants if they are interested. That is where you specify it here. And you have you once they are applied, then you can see their profile, whether they are eligible for it, all the details, any history of evictions, all those things you can see it here. Listings is the property that you want to list it into different places. um, you know Whatever the you can, this is, you can even specify the domain if you have a your own domain, like acrebook.com or myproperty.com. You can list that property into your websites, and you know so that you can also integrate it with any other real estate portal such as Zillow, realtor.com, Craigslist, or all those things. That is on a high level. Then you have the settings. So settings is basically one time settings, or you want to fine tune your particular application, then this is where you do it. Like for example, how do you want to do the sync late fee? What should be your late fee, application fee, when you want to, how much grace period you want to give, online payment settings, notification settings, listings, do you have to do the domain settings, document templates, you have a property management statement, leased this thing, landlord forms, you can do all those things in the document templates. Team management, files, all those settings you can pretty much do it here. um, you know this is all the list of all files. So this is on a high level about Tenant Cloud, one of the most easiest application to learn. um, you have the calendar here, you have the notifications, you can search, download any particular whatever you have download reports especially, and any communications. If anybody has any communication with you, especially the tenants, owners, you will see that here. um, that is it about tenant cloud. So if you have any questions about tenant cloud, and you want to set up tenant cloud, you want to manage tenant cloud, you can reach out to us, Acrebook Realty Solutions, and we can help you to manage or set up tenant cloud for your company. Thank you.